we'll study about the large intestines. The food from the stomach went through the duodenum into the small intestines and now enters into the large intestine. There's one point to be noted. If you have seen the diameter of the large intestines, it is much larger than the diameter of the small intestines, hence the name large intestine. So we have seen that, again I repeat, the large intestines has got a bigger diameter than that of the small intestines. When it comes to length, that we already know that the length of the large intestine is less than the length of the small intestines. Okay, so these are two differences. There are many more differences. This is one of the differences in the structure of the large and the small intestines. We go on to the function of the large intestines. Just like the small intestines, the large intestines also has villi. The inner walls has got these folds like this, which are called the villi. Okay, so we have these villi. The folds in the inner lining. Again, same function, to increase surface area. To increase the surface area. This villi too, just like the small intestines, are richly supplied with blood. Okay, so there's rich supply of blood here. So the villi are richly supplied by blood. Now here the functions of the large intestines is one important function is to absorb extra water. So the villi absorb this extra water. So a large amount of water, have you seen, it's absorbed into this water is absorbed into the large intestines and taken back into the blood. It also stores the food, stores undigested food before thrown out of the body. So all the food that is undigested, basically the food now in this intestine, in the large intestines, is food that is not digested. This undigested food is thrown out of the body. There is one important point we've got to learn about the structure of the large intestines. It's called the anal sphincter. Now at the end here in this region is the muscular anal sphincter here. So it is called the anal sphincter, and this anal sphincter, it regulates the exit of waste material. So the exit of this waste material is regulated by the anal sphincter. So this anal sphincter here is very muscular, which regulates the exit of waste material. A similar kind of sphincter is present in this region between the stomach and the small intestines here. There is a sphincter here also. And this again regulates the food from entering from the stomach into the small intestines. It makes sure that small quantities of food enter into the small intestines. Because the small intestines are small, they are narrow, they cannot receive a large amount of food all at once. So the sphincter muscles, which are present between the stomach And the small intestines regulate the entry of food.